This whole fussing. I paid that bitch to get from around. Got a cousin.
Yeah, this is the best one. I ain't gonna lie, this is the best one out of the three. This is the best one out of the three. B leaks, man. Sipping mud. Which one you said? Which one you said he was on some opium shit? Don't play with me.
Say Brando, what it's hitting for? My nigga Brando, the sickest on board.
Hope we can fix the problem later. Just won't say on age. And I never once I block your paper. Just can't do you no favors. We're feeling plain cause that's my lady. But she called me a hater. I had to lead her better things and they can't have me back later. I'm stuck sipping mud for my thoughts. I'm up thinking about your love. I need you. All that we've been through. Tell the ops when I see you. I'm putting you on the news. Take care of that problem, nigga. Trip to the doctor when my lip partner let go that chopper. They said I don't like her, but she sent messages through my mama. That's action, got your friend dissing like me while you make her monitor. Boom. Woman's running with that dude, not the victim on the news. Ain't got nothing to prove, you trying, you gon' lose. Wasting no time with fools, break the rules, you get blues, nigga. Gotta map my way through the shit, I ain't finished school, so I don't really know too much at all. Everything I'm into, my street tactics get involved. Until that girl on mission, so tell your friend, leave my fucking girl alone. I never fuck with you again, you fuck with that, that's more than wrong. Got a bandit, I got again. Die for my friend, he call my phone. My bro, my dog behind the right and wrong. We gon' shoot this motherfucker down. Know that hella times I've been wrong, but I ain't never took the greaser out. You left me out like, won't you leave? I cannot see you needing me now. I'm stuck sipping mud for my thoughts. I'm up thinking about your love. I need you. All that we've been through. Tell the ops when I see you. I'm putting you on the news. Tell them let do what I do. I'm putting them on the news. Tell the bitch I tie my shoes. I had to do something with the whole crew. I'm a real gangster. These niggas hoes. I don't need the industry. I got them drove. I don't fuck with y'all. Play my role. Never once I step on a man's toes. With you to the end. You hate my soul. Cause bitch you break the code. I break the face of one of them hoes. They come and try to break my home. I'm standing tall. Bitch you look down. I'm on all 10 toes. I know you wanna see me fall. Bitch you know I'm one of the realest round. Hope we can fix the problem later. Just won't say on age. And I never once I block your paper. Just can't do you no favors. We're feeling plain cause that's my lady. But she called me a hater. I had to lead her better things and they can't have me back later. I'm stuck sipping mud for my thoughts. I'm up thinking about your love. I need you. All that we've been through. Tell the ops when I see you. I'm putting you on the news.
That was vibing. Some cool shit. Don't play with me. This is the beat you was talking about.
Pussy that nigga don't play with me. Pussy that nigga don't play with me. Pussy that nigga don't play with me. Bitch, I got that Drake with me. Let's say get me black and pink. Bitch, I got this swag out the trenches. Can't buy this from overseas. I got that bad bitch, I did it. Bitch, I know you notice me. Pussy that nigga don't play with me. Pussy that nigga, oh, pussy that nigga. If I don't spray the scene. Like my clothes, I put on pink and all black in that room. Hold on, I switched that shit out already, then get gone. I put a mask on by myself and drove that made back to the stove. I put a mask on that bitch and told her run down that hoe. Beat that bitch, drink that bitch and stomp that hoe, drink on the floor. Ooh, pussy that nigga don't play, pussy that nigga don't play with me. Pussy that nigga don't play with me. Pussy that nigga don't play with me. Drink with me, spray that bitch, that drink the stove. How these niggas don't spray for me? Pussy that nigga don't play with me. Pussy that nigga, pussy that nigga don't play with me. Pussy that nigga, pussy that nigga, play with your bitch, pussy do it.
That boy on this bitch. That boy on this beat just saying shit. Pussy that nigga don't play with me.
I told that bitch come watch it, watch it, but that fuck it. Okay, make her do shit, then I eat it. Come through licking, kick it, bitch. I been lately gone on space, I'm on no spaceship, out of shit. I been on these drugs, so gone in lately. I been going on feet. I been on this shit that got me young, but I been strong little feet. How you get it?
Hey, ask who matters. You seen when YB was like, tell Yeet drop my album? You think him and Yeet got a collab album or some shit? And they on these type of beats and shit? Cause this sound more like a Yeet beat than an Opium beat to me. If you know what I mean.
I can't get my words from out my mind, out my fucking plate. I can't get my words out my mouth. I'm not straight. I'm that guy night. Hold up, man. I got mental plates. Yeah, yeah. Bitch, stay out my way. Put that nigga, don't play with me, and I keep that Drake. Yeah, lit down with me. You should shoot in your face. Wait, lit down with me. Say that again, shoot in your face. Let me say that real, real clear. He'll shoot you in your face. Young nigga came real, real, real clear. Young nigga came out of cage. Young nigga came from this slum. Young nigga kill, they say. Young nigga stay playing with them drum. Young nigga keep them K's. Puss that nigga, don't play with me. Puss that nigga, oh, pussy. Puss that nigga, don't play with me. Puss that nigga, I call him tweezers. Puss that nigga, don't play with me. Puss that nigga, I call my flags. Puss that nigga, don't play with me. Puss that nigga, I call him flags.
Watch Flooded.
Words, I'm dangerous. Lip boy came to bang with us. They ain't left a stain for us. This get blue, I bang on set. My price is high with the murder, but say one thing, they can't fuck what they know. I came from that, cause everybody came for something. See my chain boss and watch flooded. Glock tucked and cover myself Louis V from head to toe with my money. Then they go every season, my cup money. If they say my name for that crisis, hit no draw coming. I make sure that bitch stage up. Broke up, play them games, that ain't no calling me. I hang up. Let black him leave a stain, he tryna show out for me. Your brain bust. Bitch playing around with a camera, that's a no, because I'm famous. I been playing around with that dough, we shoot your dough, you bring my name up. I'm a demon, I won't blood, we shoot this club, but we show no love. All these phones that's parked outside this bitch, they mind, they can't control us. I should bought this bitch for pops like my ass, but no chain tuck. Bang bro, me and 10 and Trey more dime. I done married one. Pull that toobusy out just for 1 week for when my stay come. Bitch, this money stacked up so neat, can't find my head. Bitch, I catch out fast, that track out cheap, I buy my BM1. Come my dealership, see the same roles as me, I need a one-on-one. Bitch, I'm really rich, I ain't selling shit soon as them faders come. Feel a rally, ain't no rally with my money, bitch, I own. Waitress bring cocktails, drinks all night for her, I sip on mud. My wife, I do not party, I hit at it with her alone. One smoke, I cheap, both strong. Got penny land, I drive around. My shirt one push, one turn, you gone. Who ain't just think they left one down. This big ass charm, I need to melt it. Eyes all my bitches down. Fuck around, die, try slide on me. They done hit the block with no window down. Take the cutter, bust it, burn the whole car down. This whole fussing. I fuck that bitch to get from around. Cut a cousin.
Yeah, this the best one. I ain't gonna lie, this the best one out of the 3. This the best one out of the 3. That flow right there. This
my name for that crisis, hit no draw coming. I make sure that bitch stage up. Broke up, play them games, that ain't no calling me. I hang up. Let black him leave a stain, he tryna show out for me. Your brain bust. Bitch playing around with a camera, that's a no, because I'm famous. I been playing around with that dough, we shoot your dough, you bring my name up.
Yeah, that definitely was the hardest one out of the 3. That was the hardest one. I feel like it was this one, the first one, and then the middle one. The one on that opium type beat that you said it was opium type beat, I don't know. I probably wouldn't listen to that song for real. But the first one and this one is the best one out of them 3. I like that, man.
I want y'all motherfuckers to subscribe to ForeignTooBusy. Don't give a fuck. Better subscribe, motherfucker. If not, security gonna get your ass. Pop.